Hey, welcome back, Adventure Roads. I hope you enjoyed the couple videos with Denny the Legend and a couple of the biker videos. Got the kind of Harley geared up for the summer. Going to be doing the big ride around Labor Day weekend, heading from Kalkaska, Michigan down towards Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're going to have a few other stops in between. I haven't planned it all out. I'm sure there's going to be some barbecue videos in there somewhere. Hoping to do another video with Denny when possibly if I have the time off when he services Ram's new Indian 111 motor, get that up on the stand. But it was fun doing that. Those are old nostalgic pictures from the 60s, 70s. I thought they were pretty cool. Anyways, I'm out throwing some rainwater on the apple trees. So I'd like to save up a little bit of that, hoping to get some rain barrels going here soon. And anyway, save up some of that. I just thought while I was here on this plot, I'll show you a little update. We got a lot of ferns going. We do, like I've said before, this is extremely sandy up here. I have not sprayed any chemicals. Maybe at some point we will. Right now we're just going to keep liming and disking and stuff like that. But I did put some buckwheat down in here, and probably later, right around September range, we'll lay down some rye for the fall. But the buckwheat that is in here looks pretty decent, considering this is only the this is the first time I've ever planted buckwheat in this spot. But I'll show you what that looks like. And the 3 apple trees we planted here last year, they're looking pretty good, so I'm real happy with that. So today, Autumn and I don't usually do any type of a negative. There's enough negative, but anyways, I just thought I'd share this. We went to a bicycle shop. And we went into, we all know we're dealing with the COVID. Autumn and I are not wearing masks. If it's absolutely 100% required, if we have to do business there, we'll put it on. If we can find to do business somewhere else that doesn't require it, that's where we'll try to go. So with that, we walked into this bicycle store, and we were just simply browsing, not around anybody, just her and I in this one aisle, just looking. We didn't even know exactly what we were looking for, just kind of looking to see if something caught our eye. And a salesperson came up to us and said, hey, we prefer masks. Didn't say they were necessary, but preferred. And we said, okay. And then proceeded to tell us, he pointed a specific bicycle out and says, hey, that's the only bicycle under $1,000. Well, we left. I think if or when we find the bikes that we want, if we end up getting any, I think we'll send them a picture and say thanks, but we did business elsewhere. But never judge a book by its cover. I mean, it kind of felt a little bit like, you know, probably how we were dressed. We weren't dressed like cyclists. I don't really know, but he definitely had that tone. But anyways, off to a lighter note, we're going to have a good week anyways. We may have some bicycles for this video coming up, but it's a beautiful place, and we'll show you that coming up. Some of you probably already have an idea where we're headed. So anyways, tonight we're going to have a little group from church out. It's kind of spontaneous. We went to a open house. It was really cool. Nobody with masks. People were hugging, shaking hands, and playing cornhole, eating. It was a good time. Felt normal today. So great time. So tonight we're gonna have a little cookout, just hot dogs, marshmallows. Hannah might take some people out on some ranger rides, but just having a little bit of fun with that. And Autumn and I think we have a date dialed in for YouTube, for our YouTube get together, our what we call our Harvest Fest family get together. Will be food, ranger rides, hay rides, probably some cornhole. And if you have an idea or something that you could contribute that you're interested in, maybe let us know. So we're going to probably limit it to 100 people. Not that we don't want more, but 100 is probably the number we feel we can handle. So that's probably going to be our limit. We're just trying to decide how we want to put that together. But thanks for watching. I'm going to go water a few more trees, maybe show you that, take you a ride on a couple trails, and we may get a couple aerial shots tonight with the bonfire and stuff like that going. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the motorcycle videos with Denny. We got all kinds of different stuff coming up. We never know what we're going to do from one day to the next. I am a huge planner. Are you a planner or spontaneous? Tonight was spontaneous. We said, hey, the weather's decent. It's not too hot. Let's have a bonfire tonight. Some people said, hey, we'll come out. So Are you spontaneous or a big planner or somewhere in between? Just curious, put the comments below. We love the interaction. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe, share our videos with your friends. Look at the buckwheat. Some of this stuff is probably already 6-8 inches tall. Some of it may be even taller than that. Obviously there's ferns in here, but overall I'm not too bad. Fourth apple tree looking pretty good. Planted last year as well. These were all planted. We did 7 of them last year, so about 13 months. Number 5 looking pretty decent. This plot, we planted some clover in, ladino clover. A few weeds in here, but this one's actually looking the best. The soil seems to be the richest up here. We're closer to some swamp in here and stuff like that, but looking pretty decent. More look at that ladino clover. Coming in pretty decent. We do got some weeds in here, but overall I'm pretty happy with this one.
I was there for 2 months. It wasn't you're self-employed for 16 years and you go something like that.
You're gonna help me?
Enhance just a little bit, and there's Grayson. Mom, dust it.
Okay. So you got a joke for us. So what's your joke?
I call bear with no teeth.
What do you call a bear with no teeth? What is it?
Gummy bear.
A gummy bear. That's a pretty good one.
I hear it.